Absolutely. I think if you have an opportunity to get in the water, just like with your kids, if you're trying to tell them what to do, but then you show them what to do and experience it in the water, it makes such a difference. And I really feel like it makes it make more sense when you start seeing it and feeling it in the water.
Getting in the pool as a teacher is one thing after you've watched all the videos, but being the student and feeling the sensory information that the students are receiving is huge.
I found it very, very helpful to be in the water, being able to try out their skills, work with new friends that come in from different cities to do the in-water program. Yeah.
The underlying thing that's connecting why this is happening, and when you understand that, I feel like it's so empowering to know.
You know, woke me up a little bit on taking the time away from just keeping in water activities and using poolside activities. A lot reassuring that, you know, what we're doing is correct.
Another really important thing that stuck out is getting the whole family involved. You know, just making sure the communication with the parents.
So it's really good to have this program so we can make sure we're adapting the lessons to them, as well as making sure we can eventually get them into different classes, maybe with no equipment or little equipment. We always want to have so many different things that are under our belt. So this is just a wonderful addition to the programming that we can provide.
I think we should all just be open-minded to do whatever we can to meet the needs of as many students as we can. And this is just an opportunity to meet those special needs kids in your area, as well as enhance your lessons for any of your kids.